Best way to store sweet potatoes in the refrigerator. Raw sweet potatoes should not be stored in the fridge. The cold temperatures can negatively affect their flavor and texture, causing them to develop a hard center and an unpleasant taste. Instead, store them in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place, like a pantry or a basement, for optimal storage and to maintain their quality. Cooked sweet potatoes, however, can be stored in the refrigerator for a few days. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Raw sweet potatoes. Avoid the fridge. Cold temperatures can cause sweet potatoes to become hard in the center and change their flavor. Ideal storage. Store them in a cool, dark, and dry place with good ventilation, such as a pantry, cupboard, or basement. Duration. Uncooked sweet potatoes can last for several weeks, sometimes even months, in the right conditions. Airflow. Store them in a way that allows for airflow, like a paper bag or a breathable container. Cooked sweet potatoes. Refrigerate leftovers. Once cooked, sweet potatoes should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Duration in fridge. Cooked sweet potatoes can typically be stored in the fridge for about 5 days. Cool before storing. Make sure the cooked sweet potatoes are completely cool before refrigerating to prevent condensation and soggy textures. Freezing sweet potatoes. Cook before freezing. If you want to freeze sweet potatoes for longer storage, they should be cooked first, such as baked, blanched, or boiled. Proper storage. After cooking, let them cool completely and then freeze them in a freezer-safe bag or container. Duration. Frozen sweet potatoes can last for about a year.